Audi Q5 2008 to 2017. Hello everyone. The Q5 body is reliably protected from rust, but the paintwork let us down. On the first car, the paint peeled off from the area under the license plate. However, chrome often swelled on the grille after the first winter, and in any case it had to be changed. The rest of the chrome parts in our conditions also do not differ in durability. There are also enough complaints about the interior equipment. The multimedia system is often buggy, the turbowash may partially or completely go out, ABC and ESP, rear door and power window servos fail. True, it should be noted that all these defects are not of a mass nature and, of course, they are not drawn to statistics. But with motors, troubles happen with invariable frequency. The most problematic are the 2-liter petrol flows, which account for approximately 80% of the total number of all Q5s on our market. These units eat oil with pleasure up to 500 grams per 1000 kilometers and even more. Moreover, salesmen quite officially allow its consumption to be up to 300 grams. However, even these tolerances could not stop the mass appeals of customers to technical centers, as a result of which the officers had to change engines under warranty. This situation changed only after restarting in 2012, when Audi engineers changed the design of oil scraper and compression rings, and also improved the pistons themselves. Oil consumption in these engines has noticeably decreased, although it was not possible to completely reduce it to no. Gasoline force continued to draw the motorboat, albeit but not in the same volumes as before. Therefore, when buying a Q5 older than 2012, ask the seller if the motor has been overhauled or replaced by an authorized dealer. By the way, after restarting, Q5 engines did not become absolutely reliable. On 2-liter ones, the timing chain stretched over time, the engine mounts were out ahead of time. The oxygen sensors and ignition coils burned, the EGR exhaust gas recirculation system valve fails. Yes, and oil consumption, as already mentioned, remained. Moreover, it is not so easy to control its level. There is no prop in the engine, the information is hardwired into the MMI. The sensor after each topping up of oil may fail, not showing its real level, but Castrol V6 sets do not suffer from gluttony, and in terms of reliability it is preferable. At risk, they have ignition coils and exhaust gas recirculation valve and oxygen sensors, which are demanding on fuel quality. But turbo diesels have proven themselves from the best side. Only on high mileage, closer to 180,000 to 200,000 kilometers, can the high-pressure fuel pump and turbocharger sweat. By this time, injection nozzles and glow plugs will usually require updating. All motors were first combined with a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 7-bench robotic Astronic. If there were practically no problems with the mechanics, then the robot made a lot of noise in the Q5 case history. This box could kick for a modest 20,000 to 30,000 kilometers of run. We must pay tribute to official dealers. On warranty machines, the box was repaired for free, and after the end of the warranty, the dealer often took a partial or full cost of replacing the mechatronics unit and the clutch assembly. Apparently, the Germans quickly got tired of such charity, and after restarting, the robot was replaced by an 8-speed hydromechanical automatic ZF. True, he only worked in tandem with Castrol engines. Turbo diesels were still equipped with Astronic. By the way, the classic automatic transmission turned out to be quite reliable. At least, there have been no mass complaints about her yet. Also hassle-free and all-wheel drive transmission, which will celebrate its 40th anniversary in a year. During this time, specialists from Ingolstadt have brought the quattro design almost to perfection. There are no frankly weak points in the suspension. However, spending on it is directly proportional to the driving style. The more aggressive the driver, the more often he will have to call for a service to repair the chassis. Against the background of all other elements of the chassis, wheel bearings and ball bearings, as well as levers with silent blocks, are the fastest to surrender. In the steering, the rack was often changed under warranty, but even more often it was necessary to update the steering shaft cross. To get only positive emotions from the operation of a used Audi Q5, we recommend stopping at a diesel modification of a crossover with a manual transmission. But if you hate to wield a mixer, we recommend later, at least post-styling, versions of the car when the engines became more reliable and the classic automatic came to the place of the problematic robot. If you have had such a model, share information about what and how it breaks in the comments.